Hi there, today at Brushbusters Land Clearing we're working on a gravel driveway restoration. Right now Jared is getting gravel from the gravel pile and doing the base layer along the parking area of the driveway. He's filling in the holes so that in the end it'll be a smooth and level driving surface. Just because it's gravel doesn't mean it has to be super bumpy. After Jared gets all the holes filled in, he goes over it with the bucket and he smooths it out, and that way it's packed down and it doesn't get washed away in rain, but it also creates that hard driving surface that you want in a driveway and a parking area. Time for the next load. Now that many of the holes are filled in, he can start adding depth to the gravel that goes on the driveway.